Oh, it's going to be a great week. I am Coach Skip, and I've got your Burn at Home workout for Monday. So we got a lot of great stuff going on as always. So get a sweat going, have some fun, share it with a friend. The more you're moving, the better you're going to feel. The better you're going to feel, the more you're going to move, and just keep that cycle going over and over and over again. So here we go. We got a warm up today. We're going to be going 3 rounds of 20 flutter kicks, 10 alternating Superman, 10 opposite pointers, and then 5 down and up dog stretch. So starting with those flutter kicks, you're going to be flat on your back, point those toes, and just keep that that small flutter with the feet. Doesn't need to be real big here. If you need to put your hands underneath your hips for a little stability, that's totally fine right here. And just keep that same motion going on that flutter kick. If you need to go from a seated position, that's fine. And same thing. And it is going to be right plus left equals 1 on these. So 20 flutter kicks, just count that right leg each time. So as you're going 1, 2, 3, you get the point. Next is going to be 10 alternating Superman. So you're going to be on your stomach, and you're going to be bringing your left arm and right leg up, and then right arm and left leg up, and just alternate back and forth here. Same thing, right, left equals 1 on these, or both sides of the body is 1 rep, and just go back and forth. If you need to do this from a standing position or getting down on the ground is an issue, just push those hips forward and just one at a time, really get those arms up, squeeze that core, squeeze that butt so you get something out of it. After your 10 alternating Superman, we got 10 opposite pointers. So get that tabletop, all fours position, and same thing as the alternating Superman, where we're going left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg. And just squeeze each time. And this is just opening up the shoulders and the hips back and forth. From a standing position, just leaning over a bench, front of the couch, chair, whatever, and just back and forth, exact same way. So the final exercise is going to be 5 down to up dog stretch. So what we want to see here is really getting those heels towards the ground, keeping those legs straight, get that head through the hips into the ground. Push that core away. And just back and forth here. Nice and easy. Take your time with this one. I'm less concerned about doing 5 reps every time and more about getting a good stretch here. Again, getting down on the ground is an issue. You can do the same thing right here and then just back and forth. So 3 rounds of that, 20 flutter kicks, 10 alternating Superman, 10 opposite pointers, and then 5 down up dog stretch. So get that warm up going, get a little stretch in, whatever you need to do, grab a sip of water, and then get ready for this workout because we've got a great one for you today. So for the workout, we're going to be doing a 4-time workout. And this is what's known as a chipper. You're just going to be chipping away at it, 1 exercise at a time, 1 rep at a time. So we're going 60 jumping jacks, 50 lunges, 40 air squats, 30 push-ups, 20 tuck jumps, and then 10 burpees. And then we're going back up again to 20 tuck jumps, 30 push-ups, 40 air squats, 50 lunges, and 60 jumping jacks. So 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we're just going right back up. We're only doing the burpees once though. So starting out with the jumping jacks, get those arms and legs moving together, get that intensity up and that heart rate up right away, and just keep this going. If you need to do more of a step back and forth on this one, that's totally fine. Just is going to reduce the impact, but keep the movement going. Even if you're not quite getting your arms as high there, get them as high as you can each time. Best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow it'll get better. After your 60 jumping jacks, you've got 50 lunges. What we want to see on that lunge, and this one is going to be right is 1, left is 2. So each time you're lunging, that is going to be 1 rep on this workout. So that big lunge, get that back knee to the ground, and then drive away, and then switch legs. And just alternating every time. 4, 5, you get the point. If you're not quite able to get all the way down to the ground, or if you need to hold on to something to decrease that resistance and make it so you're able to get that full range of motion, that's fine. Just get as low as you can. Even if you're not quite getting there, as long as you're getting a good stretch and feeling what we're looking for you to feel in those hips, that's fine. If you're not really getting anywhere significant, then do a step up onto a box, a step in the house, stack of books, something between 8 and 12 inches high. The higher, the better, as long as we keep a 90-degree bend in that knee, meaning if I go too high here, that's going to be more than 90 degrees, and we don't want quite that same pressure on the knee there. So 50 lunges. After your 50 lunges, you've got 40 air squats, feet about shoulder width apart. Push those hips back and down and right up again. And keep that motion going. Go as fast as you can on these. Sitting down and standing up will do the same thing. Right up and down. This is just going to decrease how far you're able to get down. Or, again, hold on to something solid. And this is just going to help you keep that chest up, keep the weight in the heels, all those good things. After your 40 air squats, you've got 30 push-ups, whether you're going from your toes or from your knees or from a platform. The higher the platform, the less the resistance. We want that full range of motion every time. Keep that torso straight every time. If you're bending at the back, you're going to feel that in your lower back, and that's not what we want. We want to keep that good core work and up in the shoulders and chest for those push-ups. Next, we've got tuck jumps. That tuck jump is going to be a big, explosive jump. So I'm bringing my knees into my chest and just keep it going. Do 5 at a time. Do 10 at a time. If you're able to get all 20, that's fine. Watch out for your surroundings. Please don't knock anything over or fall over. Just keep that big jump with every single rep. If you're not able to quite get your knees to your chest, but you're able to get up there, that's totally fine. And if that jumping is an issue, then just bring one knee up and then the next knee up. And then this will be right plus left is going to equal 1 rep. So right knee, left knee is 1 tuck jump. The final exercise is going to be 10 burpees. On the burpees, you are going all the way down to the ground, jump those hands in, and then right up. And find that motion, find that pace here on those burpees, even if you need to step back and step up and jump. Or from a platform, same thing. Either jumping back or stepping back. Just get the best range of motion possible. Once you're done with those 10 burpees, you're going to go right back up the ladder again. 20 tuck jumps, 30 push-ups, 40 squats, 50 lunges, and then 60 jumping jacks. So, last time, one time through, you're going to go 60 jumping jacks, 50 lunges, 40 squats, 30 push-ups, 20 tuck jumps, 10 burpees, and then back up to 20 tuck jumps, 30 push-ups, 40 air squats, 50 lunges, and 60 jumping jacks. So have fun, go hard, go fast. We've done this one twice in the past, so you can record your score and see your improvement over time. That's always what we're looking for. So have fun, guys. As always, reach out if you've got any questions. Post your scores and your times in the Beyond the Whiteboard. We'd love to see it. And if you need anything, we're here for you. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Coach Skip signing off, and I'll see you again tomorrow.